Hey guys, it's Mare. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. You can click that button there and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more organization tip videos and ways to just organize your life in general. I'd love to help you guys out. So without further ado, let's get into it. Making my bed just makes me feel like I have my life in order. It's one task completed that will turn into many tasks completed. This really helps start my day off on a productive note because it's like the first task I get done, and it just reinforces the fact that little things in life matter, so don't forget that. Next up, we are going to make a vision board, and this is something I've been wanting to do for the longest time. This is a great way to start visualizing your goals. They say that the first thing you think about and look at in the morning is eventually going to be reflected in your everyday life. So I just cut out some pictures from magazines and put them on the board. I did a lot of travel stuff because I love to travel, and I've actually been traveling a lot lately. And honestly, I have to say it's been working. I'm not even like just saying that. If you picture your perfect day, you will start to live it. I find that I am much more productive throughout the day when I get outside, go into nature, maybe take a quick little walk, maybe walk your dog around the park. Anything to just kind of get up and get some fresh air really helps me if I need to then go back and get work done. You guys probably hear this one all the time, but having a journal and keeping a planner has helped me ever since I was in junior high. I would write down every task I needed to do after school, homework, or chores, or feeding the dogs, and I would mark it off. And this just really helps keep everything on paper instead of in your head, because it's kind of hard to keep everything up there sometimes. Another thing that helps me is having a calendar and writing out what my month will look like. It just helps me because I'm a very visual person, so I can go to it and look at it and be like, okay, I have this in this day, and it just keeps my brain nice and fresh. I've been doing yoga for years, but recently I started doing it a little bit differently, where I put more focus on the stretching and poses and less of it as a workout, but using it more as a mental health boost and a way to relieve stress and tension. I think doing a little yoga every day is just a life hack for life itself. For me, spring is the time to declutter and get rid of anything in your space that you just don't need anymore. This gives me a sense of newness and kind of starting over and getting into like a new headspace. So this helps me be more productive and making sure my work area is very clean and organized. So I'll just get rid of any junk that is in my desk that I don't need on top of it and make sure it is tidy and ready to work. And I also love having colored pens. It's like my favorite thing ever. It is so important to drink enough water throughout the day. If you're dehydrated, you will really feel it, and you'll start to feel kind of groggy and tired. And we just need to be so grateful that we have fresh, clean water to drink that's available to us. And last but certainly not least, this is something I do almost every night before I go to sleep, whether it's a mental note or writing it down. But I like to think about the things I'm grateful for. Anything from friends and family to just having a roof over your head and food on the table. It's important to think about the little things that we sometimes take advantage of. Comment below 5 things you guys are grateful for. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below telling me which one of these you are going to try out. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!